Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2020 Cadillac Escalade Platinum. This one is black. Underneath the hood is a 6.2 V8 with 420 horsepower and 460 pounds of torque. This one has 22-inch wheels. Escalade badging on the side. Black leather interior. Sunroof. Rear seat entertainment. Rear captain's chairs. Third row seating. Escalade badging, power liftgate, a clean set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold down the third row seats, keyless entry, blind spot assist, Bose sound system, memory seats, illuminated door sills, heated steering wheel controls, push start ignition, rear view backup camera on the media display, and rear view camera, navigation, touchscreen media display, dual climate controls, heated seats, cup holders, wireless charging for your cell phone. This Escalade has 16,373 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this Cadillac Escalade, visit us at feldmannimports.com.